Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today I tell you 12 common marriage problems and how to fix them. Did you know that nearly 50% of married couples consider divorce at some point due to unresolved issues? What if we could identify and tackle these problems before they escalate? Today, we're diving into 12 common marriage problems and how to fix them. Addressing these issues is crucial for maintaining a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Presentation of problems and challenges, communication issues, misunderstandings and lack of meaningful conversations, financial stress, disagreements over money and budgeting, lack of intimacy, physical and emotional distance, infidelity, trust broken by cheating or emotional affairs, exploration development, communication issues. Example: a couple constantly argues because they feel unheard. Impact: leads to resentment and emotional disconnection. Solution: practice active listening and schedule regular uninterrupted talk time. Financial stress example: one partner is a spender, the other is a saver. Impact: causes frequent fights and stress. Solution: create a joint budget, be transparent about finances, and set shared financial goals. Lack of intimacy. Example: one partner feels neglected, leading to frustration. Impact: creates a rift in emotional and physical connection. Solution: schedule date nights, discuss needs and desires, and seek therapy if needed. Infidelity: a partner cheats, breaking trust, leads to deep emotional pain and distrust. Solution: seek professional counseling, establish open communication, and rebuild trust through transparency. Climax: one key strategy to overcome these challenges is open and honest communication, whether it's about money, intimacy, or trust. Talking openly and without judgment is the first step to resolution. Couples who communicate effectively are more likely to find mutually satisfying solutions and strengthen their bond. Conclusion summary: we've explored common marriage problems like communication issues, financial stress, lack of intimacy, and infidelity. Addressing these proactively is essential for a healthy marriage. Remember, it's not about avoiding problems but learning to tackle them together. Have you faced any of these marriage problems? Share your experiences and your beset relationship advice in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more relationship advice and tips on maintaining a happy and healthy marriage.